What is Perl? Perl is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Although Perl is not officially an acronym, various backronyms exist, including practical extraction and report language. Perl was originally developed by Larry Wall in 1987 as a general-purpose Unix scripting language to make report processing easier. Since then, it has undergone many changes and revisions. Perl is widely regarded as the Swiss Army knife of programming languages because of its versatility and power. It is used for various tasks, including web development, network programming, system administration, and more. Benefits of Perl. Perl is a powerful programming language with many features and applications. It is widely used in system administration, web development, network programming, and many other fields. Perl is easy to learn, and its concise syntax makes it an excellent choice for beginners. It is also very versatile, allowing you to write programs in various styles. Perl has excellent support for many databases, making it a good choice for database-driven applications. It also has excellent support for graphics and multimedia, making it a good choice for media-rich applications. Cons of Perl. Although Perl is an interesting and feature-rich programming language, it also has some cons. First of all, it is more challenging to learn than some other languages like Python, and it has a very steep learning curve and can confuse beginners. Additionally, Perl is not as widely used as other languages, so there is not as much support available. Finally, it can be pretty slow compared to some other languages. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.